Hey traders, I wanted to talk to you here a little bit about what looking at option prices can tell you as far as where the market sees the potential risk. Let's look here at ticker symbol AAPL Apple. Everybody has Apple products. You got iPhone, iWatch, iPad. I don't know, and maybe you've even traded some Apple stock or options. So right now, as the market gets ready to close, it's rated 267.14. We'll call it 267 and a half, just to give a reference here for this video. We're looking at 18 days out. And if you go down $10, which would be 257 and a half, you see the options are a buck 46 on the put side. If you go up $10 to 77 and a half, you see they're a buck 18. They're more expensive on the put side because the market sees more risk to the downside. And with today's price being $23.75, there might be some validity to that. So that's just another way to look at the options market and kind of see what the market is thinking.